Welcome to this session on programming sensors with Microbit. In this session, we are going to see how to make a microcar or a bit car. Okay, so this is a kit which I have from a Groove, and in this kit, as you can see, we have this assembly of different parts. So this contains some modules for interfacing boards with Microbit. It has some battery packs. It has some color sensors for making this robot work as a line follower or a color follower robot. Okay. So the thing is that we have to again log into the same our web page, that is makecode.microbit.org. Okay, and we have to add a project for this one. So before we begin, I will just show you what are the parts which have inside this kit. Once I open this box, you can see that it has so many pieces. It has three pieces. So the good thing is that these pieces can be magnetically coupled to each other. So no need of some external wires or something like this. So on my hand is the motors or the chases which will drive our unit. So these are the wheels as you can see here, and this is the interface board for Microbit. So that, as you have seen earlier, there is a slot in which I can insert my Microbit like this. Perfect, like this. And these two boards can be coupled together like this with the help of this magnetic sensors. So I can make a connection like this for these two boards. Okay, so once connected, as you can see that we can, there is one port for charging via USB also, because there's a battery inside this one. So it's made by Groove, and it has a battery which will last sufficiently for a longer time. Then we have this one. This is a color sensor for sensing the different colors, so that you can program your microbit to sense different colors. This also we can attach to a unit like this. So our robot is now ready, and only thing is we have to insert this microbit in this slot. Okay. So before doing it, let us copy our code for our microbit for this bit car. So what you have to do is that go to the new project, add some micro car, something, the name of the project micro car, and you can create a project like this. Again, there is no button for the micro car. So what we do is go to the extension library, select the sensors from Groove, on OK. So we have the sensor popping up, BitKit microcar. So once you add this sensor to your project, this is adding the extension, then you can see that there's a button called as a BitKit now. So BitKit has various buttons in which you can actually program your robot uh, to go forward, backward, or do some kind of a line follower stuff. Okay. So already I have one project which I have done for this tutorial. This is the BitCar. So once I open this project BitCar, this code has popped up. I already have this extension added, that is BitKit. So as you can see, the code is on button A pressed, the chases should go forward at some speed. So speed you can define slow, medium, fast. So I've selected medium. Then I say that on button B press, it should go backward at very fast speed, and it should show some number also on the screen, so that I know that it is now, the code is running at backward position. Similarly, on button A and B pressed, I am saying that turn the left motor by so much speed and right motor by zero speed, so that this is for turning. So when I press both buttons, the my chases should turn. Okay. So very simple code, and then you can do some line follow code also, that you can do see some line like red, black, green, or some line maybe defined by others, some color codes, some combinations. Then you can do some kind of a different coding stuff. Okay. So with this, let us now copy this code to a microbit I'm gonna turn my Microbit to my computer. Okay, let me copy the code to my Microbit. I press the button copied, it is downloading and it is copied now. Okay, so let me disconnect this now from my computer, and this is my robot which is ready. Let me connect this to this slot. So this is how my robot look likes with the Microbit, and there's a small button here which will power up this Microbit. So let us start, and you can see that Microbit has started now with this robot in place. So it says this is the color sensor which the lights are coming, which will sense the colors. Okay. So it says that if I press some button A or B, the motor should move forward or backward. So let me press some button and my chases should respond slowly. Sometimes the batteries are not charged enough so that they don't respond. So I think maybe I need to charge this one, but uh, yes, maybe there's a code I have to charge something because the batteries are a little bit, I think, down with some experiments which I've done. But this is the same way you can try. You can just build on this line, and you can maybe some sketch some lines so that this will follow the colors and can go uh, to the different places. But this will move very slowly just for learning. You can also make some higher robots with Microbit with involving some greater wheels and some greater combinations, which will definitely we can we'll see in our upcoming lectures also. So as a part of this various design, so now you see it's working now, and you can see the robot is moving. And if I press the button B, it is coming back, and if I press both the buttons, then it is going to turn. So let me press the button B, and let me press the button A. It is moving forward and backward. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial about the microbit, and see you in the next lecture. Okay, till then, bye.